In this demonstration, I'm going to show you how we can use SlideGen to efficiently repeat and populate a series of international scorecards. Some of you might have a different name for these, like summaries or snapshots. In this folder, we have 10 different sets of tables, one for each country. And we also have our PowerPoint template, which in this case contains 4 slides. One is the title slide, and then 3 different slides with lots of charts, tables, and text to update. To have one person manually populate this deck and another quality check it, you're probably looking at a minimum of 30 minutes per country. So 5 hours for 10 countries. Let's just call it a day if we factor in the repetitive nature of the task. Whoever is doing this will need a lot of coffee breaks. And then there's going to be fixing of errors after quality control, probably even another round of quality control after that. I'm going to show you how you can get that down to a maximum of 30 minutes to produce all 10 scorecards and significantly reduce the chance of human error along the way. We've uploaded the template and our first data set. This is going to be our master report. We're going to use the concepts that you would have seen in the intro to SlideGen demo to map data and use transformations to efficiently populate our master report. I won't make you sit through that, but I'll stick a timer on so that we know how long it takes me. Okay, so that took me a little over 8.5 minutes. You can see that in some instances I've applied SIG testing. Slide number 3 here has a number of different transformations that would have been much more time consuming to perform manually. For example, here I have sorted the data and then I've anchored wild roots at the top, none of these at the bottom, and trimmed it to keep the top 6 responses then. At this point, I could export the report and get sign off from my quality checking team before continuing, but I'm feeling confident. This is where the huge time saving comes in. I'm going to introduce you to a feature called switch data. I'm going to keep this project as the master, so I always have it to fall back on, but I can then duplicate this project. If I go back into my projects area, duplicate the project, and then this new version will be my report for the US. So I'll just rename it up here. And I'm going to replace this deck with the US tables. So let's upload those now. Upload data. We'll then use this switch data feature to update the entire deck. And just like that, all of my percentages have been updated. The transformations and the SIG testing that I applied before have been reapplied. And if I export the PowerPoint, this is my US deck. You can see even the base sizes have updated as well. So let's go ahead and download that. And there we are. That part took me under 30 seconds, so I can do that multiple times for each of the other 8 data files that I've got. And you can see how quickly I can go from one country scorecard to 10 in a very short amount of time.